Praetego is Latin. It means to protect. At Praetego, we create drugs to mitigate the cause of serious diabetic complications. I'm Pepper Lanson, the co-founder and CEO. Praetego's novel small molecules, called the amidorans, are a first-in-class technology able to inhibit advanced glycation end products. The AGE pathway is implicated in serious diabetic complications and all chronic diseases of aging. Praetego's lead program is to slow or prevent diabetic neuropathy. With no drug approved to limit disease progression, this presents a $60 billion market opportunity. The patent is filed, we have proof of mechanism, and we've selected our lead. Our team brings over 100 years of drug development experience to bear. We're raising over $5 million to achieve an IND within 12 months. In diabetes, excess glucose circulates in the blood and fuels the AGE pathway, an established driver of diabetic complications. The amidorans offer protection by interrupting the AGE pathway at the first step. They act upon the chemistry required for oxidation. By interfering with oxidation, they inhibit AGE formation, and they limit downstream pathology as well. The amidorans are unique because they circulate in plasma and function as chemical protectants. Without an accumulation of AGEs, the vasculature is protected. We know this is possible because the first amidoran offered preclinical proof in multiple disease models, and then it demonstrated clinical efficacy in diabetic kidney disease. Gen 1 through 3 demonstrated preclinical proof against neuropathy. Gen 4 is underway now. Gen 4 is our focus because it has the critical elements of safety, potency, and ideal patent protection. On the left is AGE inhibition data across the generations. As we refined the amidorans, potency increased exponentially. Each new generation used less drug to successfully address neuropathy in the animal model. Gen 4 data is expected early summer. Praetego's team applies over 100 years of pharma experience. As CEO, I exercised 3 decades of know-how in operations and drug development. I've started 2 companies from scratch and taken a 3rd public. Raja is a world-class chemist, and he brings the foundational science to our story as the inventor of the amidorans. He has led translational science in 3 companies. Katina is a life sciences financial exec with 25 years of advising corporate clients on fundraising and M&A. Joanne applies her successful track record in developing and commercializing novel candidates. For a drug to limit disease progression, the market opportunity is substantial. Our go-to-market strategy is to use phase 2 data to secure a strategic partner. We're building those relationships now. There are 5 major milestones to achieve our exit plan: preclinical proof in Gen 4, the pre-IND meeting, securing our IND, phase 1 safety and dosing data to include type 2 diabetics, and phase 2 efficacy data. Praetego is committed to extending health span for people living with diabetes. We start with diabetic neuropathy. With no drug approved to limit disease progression, our lead presents a $60 billion market opportunity. We have the product, the process, and the people to achieve our goal. With your help, Praetego will harness the power of protection. Thank you.